Ready to make an awesome flapping paper airplane? Let's build the AeroDactyl, one of the coolest paper planes ever designed, and you can make it in under a minute. Start with a sheet of paper and fold it in half lengthwise. Open it back up, then fold the top corners toward the center crease, leaving a small gap on both sides. Next, fold the top point down toward the bottom of those folds, then unfold it. Turn the paper over and use the crease you just made to fold the top section in the opposite direction. Flip it back over again. Now fold both sides inward so the edges run parallel to the center crease, leaving about ½ inch of space. Fold the entire top section down so the point reaches the new crease and smooth out any extra paper on the sides. Fold both sides inward once more, but don't bring them all the way to the center. Then fold the top point down as far as it will go. Take the edge you just created and fold it upward until it meets the top edge. Fold the loose section behind the model. Fold the airplane in half and create the wings. Your AeroDactyl is now complete. For the best flight, keep the wings fairly flat and bend the back edges upward sharply on both sides of the center crease. If the wings aren't flapping well, gently flex the center crease back and forth a few times. Now launch your AeroDactyl and enjoy watching it flap through the air like a flying creature.